Hey y'all, Edward Lego Texan here with another Lego speed build for you. And as you can tell, I'm not in my usual recording space for this. That's because I am on vacation with my family at the Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. I'm staying at the Polynesian Village Resort, and it's a very nice hotel, and I've got some pretty cool views. Behind me right here is the Disney Contemporary Resort, and then right over there, over this shoulder here, is the Grand Floridian. But I think honestly the best view from my hotel room is right there, the castle at Magic Kingdom. It's a great view to wake up to every morning. Now, my typical Lego content usually doesn't involve Disney too much, other than Star Wars sets or the occasional Marvel set. But I decided, since I'm on a Disney vacation, that I would do something with a Disney flair. So today we're going to be building set 40477, the DuckTales BrickHeadz. Let's get to it.